Good evening, my respected sir and ma'am. My name is Adhirat Sarkar. I am from class 8. I am a student of Computer Guide Center and a student of Vidyasagar Shisu Niketan. Today I am going to discuss on the topic network topology. In this going to the next slide, index page. I have subdivided this topic into many parts. Structure of network. There are a number of ways in which network connections can be set up. The physical layout of the connected devices is called network topology. Going to the next page. There are three commonly used network topologies: bus topology, star topology, ring topology. Bus topology. In this, all network devices are connected to a single main cable called the bus. A bus is the communication through which all the network devices are connected. The advantages and disadvantages of bus topology. It is easy to set up as all network devices are connected to the main single cable. Its disadvantage is that if the main network cable breaks down, the whole network breaks. Star topology. All network devices are connected to a central device called the hub. A hub is the central device to which all network devices are connected with a separate connection. The disadvantage and advantages of star topology. The failure of a single connection does not affect the entire connection, and its disadvantage is that if the hub fails, the whole network breaks down. Ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected to two other devices forming a ring. Advantages and disadvantages of ring topology. The communication flows in one direction from one device to another. Its disadvantage is that if the device fails, the whole entire network breaks down. Acknowledgement page. I have been helped a lot by my sir. Software and hardware. I have used this software and hardware in making this project. I have used my textbook and I have taken the images from Google. I have experienced too much fun in making this project. I have not completed this project. I have completed this project with my own knowledge. I have not submitted any elsewhere. Thank you.
Okay, question answer session. What is the difference between hub and switch?
The difference between hub and switch is that hub is a small and inexpensive device, but a switch is a expensive device and it is used to connect two devices with separate connections.
Next, what is the disadvantage of bus topology?
The disadvantage of bus topology is that if the main network cable breaks down, the whole network breaks.